name is Ping. This is Ping's World. Let's make some masks. Let me show you a very simple way to make facial tissue mask. If you live in an apartment building, you have to go downstairs to get your mail or to throw out garbage. You don't want to use a fancy mask to just use once in the building. So this is how it works. First, you want to have elastic string. So I have it here. So now I tie this first. Now I put it behind my ears. Pick two. You can do 2 or 3 facial tissues, right? Go through under a little bit, like an inch under the string, the top string. And then the bottom one, go over, go under, yeah. So that's it. Now it's time for my husband to take the garbage out. Thank you for watching. 谢谢. If you like this video, please share it, like it, and subscribe.